Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We have some tarps up behind the property. We have a peeping Ken, so we are going to take all of our wood piles and start a privacy fence out of firewood. And over here, I just grabbed the camera. Over here, we've got some pallets down. And the outside are electric fence wires. I'm going to have to get under that. I'll be right back. And right here, we're going to run a 6.5 foot tall privacy barrier of burnable fuel all the way across the whole backside of our property. And as we get time around. But the idea, we're going to have 2 rows. One for 1 year and one for the next year. And then we'll be able to take that down. And that'll double as privacy, intruder proof, animal resistant, like hopefully deer resistant, and people resistant, and heat for the house. So anyway, I gotta go grab some T-posts. I'm gonna put them in over here, and then we can start stacking up the firewood all the way up and carry on and build ourselves a wall. Michelle is doing her job, helping to clean the snow off a tree underground. Right, Michelle? Are you doing a good job? Yeah. What we're just stacking right now is a mess of oak I split earlier in the season. And it's still wet for this year. That one's got to be cut or broke. This snow doesn't make it easy.
Yeah, put it there.
Just throw it right here hard. That doesn't want to let go. Anyway, I'll keep stacking a bit, or we will. We'll get that pile done and see how it looks. We got a lot more than that to take care of. Now that's what I'm talking about. That is, if I'm on the ground, above my eye level, that's good. So we cleared out what was by the log splitter, and now we're taking the pile that we had brought home this summer that was ready for stacking, but too wet for burning. Now I'm going to go get a snow shovel and another pallet. I'm going to extend this, and yeah, we'll have some privacy. I think we've got enough firewood to cover this back strip and get us some nice privacy here. I think that's going to work out well. And like I said, one row for this year, and on the other side, 1 row for next year. So we always have 1 row to burn and 1 row to stay. Cool. What do you got? Oh yeah, put them down there for me, please. On the pallet, right where your mom's putting them. I gotta clear this off. for another pallet. I'm gonna go drag it over, put it in place. This one's broke up a bit. I also need to prop this one up a bit on this end. It's not level. That works. Use some little twigs for that. Alright. I'll keep going. I'm sore. This is my first real day of work. Second, actually. I didn't record the first real day of work back. I was hauling wood home. But after 3 weeks, with an injured back, this is exhausting. It's just the start, though. We're going to keep on going. Hi, guys. It's taller than me on the low side. This is all packed with snow. Pretty good. Keep on going. On camera, it doesn't look like much, but we got 4, almost 8 foot. I can't see on the camera. Oh, see that orange ribbon? That's just a little over 8 foot. That's 8 foot 4 inches, I think. So we got over 6 foot high, 6.5 foot high by 8 foot wide, and then of course carrying on around there. We've got 4, 8, 12, 16 foot of pallet down. That shows you how much we got across the bottom. But we're getting cold. My gloves are sopping wet. Everybody's gloves are wet. Melanie and Michelle, you can't even see them. They're right behind that pile. And that's awesome. Privacy. Oh, there's Michelle, or Melanie. Wait, do that again? I didn't, did you? Oh, barely see. She could barely get her hand over the top. Well, we're getting it. 5, 12, yeah, 16 I said. 16 feet of fence up to here. When this section's done. Oh, you planted the tree back? Michelle replanted the tree for me.
No, I have some plant the tree. I plant the tree. Daddy.
Thank you. These are all branches. It's all branches. But it's looking good from the road. And once we get the second row done, and we keep it maintained every year, we'll be hooked up. Every year we keep doing this. Change out the pallets as needed from time to time.
Daddy.
Hello.
I eat.
No, that's not nice. Oh, I don't think I taste good. No, I'm not going to get you, but you're in my way though. Can you move? I don't want to hit you with the wood.
Come on, Susie. Let's go watch some movies.
It's time for a coffee and a break. And dry out our hands.
Oh, the shovel. Let's get the shovel.
My break doesn't start for a while though, because I got to put all the fence back together. I moved the electric fence to get in and out of here easier. Now I gotta put it all back together. We still need that for everything else. And we're still gonna put the chain link fence up outside the wood pile. But that's later. Last piece for now. Let's have a look at it from the road and see how it looks. I think it looks like a wood pile. See, all this is where he likes to stand and stop. So I still got to carry on from here to here. But for now, I've got to move those trees. There's some logs, big logs. I've got to get out of there for the mill. Put them in well over a year ago now. So those got to come out of the way so I can finish the wood pile. But we've got a good 8 feet across, 6-7 foot high. It really doesn't look like it on camera, but that's definitely privacy right there. Definitely. Well guys, that's it for now. Day done, my first day back to work on camera. Back was injured and I'm feeling better. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our, again, daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Perfect timing, too. We just finishing up and it's snowing right down my back. I had to put that fence up. Talk to you later.